New at 5:30, Governor Youngkin signed a new law to regulate explicit content in Virginia schools. It requires schools to notify parents if students are assigned books with sexually explicit content. If parents object to the material, their children will get an alternate assignment. The Department of Education has to develop model policies by July 31st, and school boards must adopt the policies by January. This comes as the U.S. is said to be facing an unprecedented wave of school book bans.
Lawmakers heard testimony that there have been 1,500 books banned in schools over the past 9 months. Mike Gooding explains.
In recent months, conservative parents across the country have addressed school board meetings in numerous states to criticize books they view as sexually explicit or as addressing racism in a way that makes white children feel bad about themselves. And so school boards ban them. 41% of banned books featured prominent characters who are people of color. 33% of banned books included LGBTQ themes, protagonists or strong secondary characters, and 22% directly address issues of race and racism.
If we cancel or censor everything that people find offensive, nothing will be left. Everybody is offended by something, and that's why other people's level of offense cannot be the metric for defining whether your rights or my rights are vaporized.
Witnesses told the House Oversight and Reform Subcommittee on Civil Rights and Civil Liberties that efforts by ideologically motivated organizations and legislators to remove books from schools and public libraries erase history and further stigmatize students who may otherwise find a safe haven in books.
Open-minded communication is not fostered when we start making individual, monolithic, or one-sided decisions, especially without trained librarians' input about books based on out-of-context readings. When we take this road, we are limiting growth, we are stifling progress, and we are acting in the most undemocratic way possible.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
More than 2/3 of the banned books are fiction, but nonfiction titles, including biographies for children of Rosa Parks, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Duke Ellington, and Nelson Mandela, are also among those removed from shelves.